Welcome to Cache Creek. This week, I'm in the South Tower staying in an Emperor suite. Come on inside, let me show you around. Look at this epic entryway. This living room is massive. Giant TV, plenty of couches. Have a delicious breakfast. Nice wet bar. The ceiling has an awesome golden hue and it's 12 feet high. Modern tables and chairs. This living room can accommodate up to 15 people sitting comfortably. A perfect little reading nook. If you really have to be efficient, there's a whole work desk. If you're looking for a party room, this is it. But fair warning, it's for VIPs only. You can't book this room. Okay, let's check out the new South Tower pool. Our Emperor suite on the top floor takes up all those giant windows. Don't get me started on that beautiful Capay Valley view. A sunset around here is worth $1 million. Let's get back in our suite. Plenty of closet space. And a half bath for guests. Okay, time for the master suite. This finely appointed room couldn't be more relaxing. Sit back in a chair, take a nap. There are plenty of outlets and USB plugs right next to the bed, so you can plug your phone in before you go to sleep. Free robes to use while you're staying at the resort, and a very nice safe. Full-size tub. Double sinks. Plenty of free amenities. Look at this big shower. It even has a rainfall shower head for a true spa-like experience. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. You'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. If you want to see more suite tours, click on this. If you want to see me go down and gamble, click on this.